Okay, Ben Laughlin. A DPMS Oracle AR-15. This is the police issue AR-15 from the company DPMS, second largest AR manufacturer in the world. You can't get this unless you have a FFL, which is a federal firearms license, which I just happen to have. Ben is going to demonstrate how to field strip, just a basic field strip for basic cleaning and clearing of obstructions down the barrel of the gun. First, pull the mag. See what he's using there. Unfortunately, when you get one brand new, the pins that hold in the lower receiver to the upper receiver are extremely difficult to pop loose for the first time. Eventually, once this is done a few times, it will come loose, just being able to pop with your fingers, making it easier to use in the battlefield instead of having to look for a hammer and a punch.
One doesn't want to play nicely.
Yeah, there he goes. As he tilts the receiver forward, doop, separates the bottom half, pulls the charging handle or cocking handle, pulls the bolt carrier that carries your pin, and you see he's just stripped it down into 4 basic components: upper receiver, your bolt carrier, charging handle, lower part of your receiver. Now he can check it, field clean it if he needs to. No, he doesn't blow it. Oh yeah, sexy beast of a gun. Once he's seen that, okay, there's no obstructions in the barrel, he's got it cleaned out, he's going to reassemble, starting with the charging handle first. Replacing the bolt carrier, making sure it snaps in. Starting with the front part of the receiver first, he will snap in the pins, holding it in place. And finishing with the final pin, locking it all back in. Now he goes ahead and kicks it into fire, gives it a quick cock, and pulls the trigger. And that was a basic field strip and reassembly of a DPMS AR-15. We'll make another video later demonstrating a more detailed breakdown of the weapon. Yeah, fun.